Hello kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. Now we are going to write the letter D uppercase. We will start at the top and then go straight down and make a half circle to the right. Let's go to the lowercase d. Begin in the middle line, curve to the left, and go back to the top and draw a straight line down. Well done! Now you are good enough to write the uppercase and lowercase d. Keep it up, you're getting better with each try. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!